Hey everyone, I'm Shireen Kassam, the founder of mypaincenter.com, your number one source for CBD products that have been tried and tested. All the products we sell are used by us, meaning me, my parents, my friends. We only use these products and we've tried over $10,000 worth of products, and these are the ones we feel are the best and the best bet for your buck too. Like, all our prices are pretty low, so check us out. Hey, one of the questions we've been getting a lot over the last couple of weeks as we go through COVID-19 and coronavirus is, hey, Shireen, I can't sleep, I can't stay asleep, I can't fall asleep, I just keep tossing and turning, and now I'm having these vivid dreams. Like, what's up with that? Okay, just to be clear, this is all totally normal. We are going through one of the weirdest pandemics, weirdest times that we've seen in our lifetime. I mean, our schedules are disrupted. You're probably stuck at home with your partner that you haven't had this much time with in years. You've got your kids at home. Maybe you're working from home. You're going to bed later, you're waking up later. Some of you may have lost your jobs. I know I lost my job last week, and that's caused me a lot of stress and anxiety. Yeah, this is my side hustle, which has now become my full-time job. So if anybody has questions on how to start a side hustle or an online business, hit me up. But a lot of people have been asking, like, how do I get better sleep? So I want to go over 5 products that we carry that have CBD and some have melatonin to help you get a better sleep. Because if you don't sleep well, then it kind of disrupts your whole mental and physical state. And if you're disrupting that state, you're actually making your immune system weaker, and that actually makes you more susceptible to illnesses. And you just get more stressed out and you get more anxiety the less sleep you have. So definitely want to get you better sleep. Okay, so let's go over these products. Oh, before I forget, if you do get these products and you start taking them, you may not feel a difference on day 1 or day 2 because your system could be so out of whack that it may take a few days for the CBD to build up and actually provide help. It's kind of like going to a chiropractor if you hurt your neck. Your neck probably hurts, you go to the chiropractor, he fixes it a little, then he fixes it a little, and then boom, you're helped. Okay, got it? So, and I'm going really fast because I want this to be under 5 minutes, so bear with me. Okay, number 1. My almonds are falling. Okay, edibles. I love edibles. I love these. These are mints. They're butter mints. They've got 50 milligrams of CBD plus a little melatonin. So if you're looking to like really pass out, these are the ones you want to use. My personal favorite, chocolate almonds. These are actually almonds covered in chocolate with CBD and a little bit of melatonin. They've got 20 milligrams of CBD. So like when I'm having a sugar craving at night, pop 2 and I'm like, dead, right? Okay. If you don't like those, we also have gummy bears. We've got gummy bears in different sizes. This is our extra large jar because it's got 90 gummies in it. These have 10 milligrams of CBD per gummy. If you're new to CBD and you've never used CBD before, highly suggest starting at a 10 milligram gummy bear and then building your way up. If you've used CBD for a long time and you're only using this for sleep or you have high anxiety, go ahead and start with a 20 or 25 milligram. I really love our peach rings. We've got apple rings. We've got sour belts. All our flavors are amazing, but definitely try the apple rings or the peach rings. I'm really loving those. Those have 25 milligrams. So like I'll take one of those. I by mistake took one in the morning by mistake because I was packaging up somebody's products and I was like, I kind of want a gummy bear. And I popped one and I was out. Like I literally was like, wait, I just wasted my whole day sleeping. Something that I've been actually doing a lot more since we've been in lockdown is smoking hookah. If you don't know what a hookah is, it is a water pipe. It's like a water base, and then it's got like a base on top, and you put the shisha inside the base, and then you light it on fire. And then it's got pipes. You can have 1 pipe, 2 pipes, 3 pipes, depending on which one you buy. And then you kind of just smoke it. And so like at night, I kind of like to pretend that I'm going out to a lounge. You know, I dim the lights, I put on a little romantic comedy, and then I light my hookah, and I just sit there and I smoke. And it's a great way just to calm down before bed. What's really good about this, it's 100% herbal and no tobacco. So if you don't smoke tobacco, you're in good hands with this product. It comes in 7 different flavors. We only carry 5 because we tried them all and we only liked 5. So we've got Mighty Mint, Blueberry Mint, Double Apple, Mega Mango, which is my personal favorite, Pink Lemonade. So try one of those. If you don't have a water pipe, I'm sure Amazon can get you one within the day. Sometimes I don't feel like setting up the hookah, or I just want to go sit outside because I realize I haven't been outside all day and I just want some fresh air. And I live in Florida, so even if I can go outside during the day, it's so hot that I don't want to go outside during the day. So I've been smoking these pre-rolls. Now I'm going to say, they say not to smoke right now because of the coronavirus, because smoking can decrease your lung capacity and make you more susceptible to catching the virus. So definitely be careful how much you are smoking. I'm not smoking every day, like only like maybe once or twice a day, sometimes on the weekends. not once or twice a day, once or twice a week, guys. And on the weekends, kind of just when I want to feel like I've gone out, like I have a glass of wine and I'm just like, relaxing, chilling. I've got some like R&B music playing in the background and I'm just like vibing and grooving. You know what I mean? And you don't have to smoke the whole thing in one sitting. You could split it with your spouse or your partner or smoke it the next day. But these are great for sleep, pain, anxiety. And then the number one way to get your CBD is an oil, a CBD oil tincture. If you're gluten free, if you're vegan free or vegan, I don't think vegan free. If you're sugar free, this is probably the healthiest way because it's just a pure oil, CBD oil with a coconut oil base. You put it under your tongue, hold it for a minute, swallow. And you can take this multiple times a day if you need to for sleep, anxiety, pain. It's kind of like an all-arounder. And then I know I said 5 products, but the last product I want to talk about is a honey stick. I don't know if you guys remember back in the day we had those like little sugar sticks and you would like pour sugar in your mouth. Some days in the middle of the day when I'm feeling really anxious that I haven't gotten anything done, I'll just take a honey stick and squirt it in my mouth. It comes with a pack of 10. But if you want to use it for sleep, you can boil some hot water, put the honey in it, mix it up, and then just sip on it and drink it. So those are our tips. If you have any questions, you can hit us up. We're all over social media, My Pain Center, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You can email us, support@mypaincenter.com. I'm Shireen, here to help you. Please, please, please get a good night's rest and let us know how we can help you. Until next time.